Okay, so you see I have a book, right? You know what that means? I'm teaching you something. So since I'm teaching you something, that means you have to listen. So since you have to listen, that means you can learn. And if you listen and you learn, then you're gonna know something. You ready for something? Let me teach you. Alright, so today I'm gonna teach you how to meal prep, right? And I'm gonna use myself as an example. For me, like I'm 133 pounds, right? I need about 133 grams of protein, give or take. The calories that I actually need is anywhere between 1700 and 2000 calories because I'm trying to gain weight. So remember I said I need 130 grams of protein. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide that by how many times a day I want to eat, which is 3. I want 3 meals per day. And there's different ways that you can get your 3 meals per day. You can break it down. 130 divided by 3 is going to be around 43, 44, somewhere about there, grams of protein in every meal. Or you can do it a different way. 130, I know 50 plus 50 is 100, and then plus 30 is 130. So I do it that way. So my 3 meals is going to be that way. So I got to figure out what kind of protein do I want to eat. And I like chicken and eggs, but I like chicken. So what I'm going to do, I get 8 ounces of chicken breasts. And 8 ounces of chicken breast is 50 grams of protein, which is also 300 calories. If I multiply that times 2, that's going to be my 100 grams of protein. And that's 600 calories. Look at it. Right? Do the same thing with my eggs. 6 eggs, 36 grams of protein, 400 calories. So, 36 grams of protein, 400 calories, that's how my eggs go. In total, I have 136 grams of protein with my chicken and my eggs and 1000 calories. I need 700 more. So now I have my protein locked down. I can focus on my carbs and fats. I need 700 left. So I have 700 to play with. 6 ounces of rice is 250 calories. Times 2 equals 500. I get a whole avocado, that's 240. My total with the 500, remember the 2 ounce of rice and my 1 avocado is 240. Total 740. My total for the day, 1740 calories, 136 grams of protein. That's how I'm gonna hit my protein goal. You understand that formula? So let me show you how you actually put it into real life. Alright, I'm back. I put the book away. It's time. You definitely need a food scale. To make this easy, you definitely need a food scale. Tap the food scale, change it to the desired unit. Right now it's not ounces. Put the bowl on. When you press on or off or tear, I don't know what your food scale says, it sets it back to 0. So now it's not weighing the bowl. The bowl is empty. It just says that it's not being weighed. Now, first thing I always go for is my protein. And remember, I'm trying to get 8 ounces. It's already at 0. Scoop some. Scoop it up. Because I already weighed the bowl and it's at 0, it's not an issue if I take it up off the scale. Because it's going to just go negative. And when I put it back on the scale, ooh, I'm close. 7.34. I think 1 more piece might work. Maybe 2. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Bam. We're at 8. Throw that bad boy aside. We need 1 more of 8. So, wait. Well, that was close. 11.11. Okay. Boom, bam, connect. Just grab my meats. Pause. My chickens. Let's see what this looks like. 6. back at it again. It's the easier way to do this. If you have strong hands, you can just bring the pot over 8.50. Let me take off one piece. Kind of. Alright, we're looking like it. That's looking like it. That's looking like it. Now, I only need 250. Where is it? 250 ounces of rice, right?
6 ounces of rice.
6 ounces, yeah. I need 6 ounces of rice. That's 3. That's my 6 ounces of rice. And vegetables. Vegetables almost have no calories. It's like maybe I get 50 calories off of these vegetables. Just like that, meal prep is basically done. I could just show you the eggs one time. Because I don't know if everybody know what eggs look like. Holy smokes, it's hot. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those 3 belong to Shan, but those 6 is mine. And that's gonna be my breakfast. I'm gonna have 6 eggs for breakfast. I'm gonna have my 2 meals. And that's it for me for the day. I don't gotta snack, nothing. If I snack, it's extra because I'm trying to put on weight. But these meals, they fill me. So I'll see you on the next side. Remember, it's only one way up. Any other way is the wrong way.